Exodus 26. Make sure to like, share, and follow. And the tabernacle you will make with 10 curtains. You will make them of finely twisted linen, and blue and purple and crimson yarns. And the cherubim, the work of the skilled craftsman. The length of the one curtain will be 28 cubits, and the width of the 4 cubits, and the width will be 4 cubits for the one curtain. One measure will be for all the curtains. 5 curtains will be joined to one another, and 5 curtains joined to one another. And you will make loops of blue on the edge of the one curtain and at the end of the set, and you will do so in the edge of the end curtain in the second set. You will make 50 loops on one curtain, and you will make 50 loops on the end of the curtain, that is the second set. The loops are to be opposite to one another. And you will make 50 gold clasps to join the curtains to one another with the clasps, so that the tabernacle will be done. And you will make curtains of goat hair for a tent over the tabernacle. You will make them 11 curtains. The length of the one curtain will be 30 cubits, and the width will be 4 cubits. For the one curtain, one measure will be for the 11 curtains, and you will join 5 curtains together and 6 curtains together, and you will fold double the 6th curtain at the front of the tent. And you will make 50 loops on the edge of the one curtain at the end of the first set of 50 loops on the edge of the curtain in the second set. And you will make 50 bronze clasps, and you will put the clasps in loops and join the tent so that it will be one. And the surplus in the curtains of the tent will be overhanging. The surplus of half the curtain will overhang over the back of the tabernacle, and the cubit from one side and the cubit from the other side, and the surplus in length of the curtains of the tent will be hung over the sides of the tabernacle equally to cover it. And you will make a covering for the tent of red dyed ram's skins, and covering of fine leather to go above. And you will make the frames for the tabernacle of acacia wood, as upright as the length of the frame will be 10 cubits, and the width of one frame will be 1.5 cubits. You will make 2 pegs for the one frame for joining each other, and likewise for all the frames of the tabernacle. And you will make the frames of the tabernacle with 20 frames for the south side, and you will make 40 silver bases under the 20 frames, with the 2 bases under one frame for its 2 pegs, and 2 bases under the next frame for its 2 pegs. And for the second side of the tabernacle, the north side, there will be 20 frames, and there are 40 silver bases, with 2 bases under one frame, and 2 bases under the next frame. And for the rear of the tabernacle on the west, you will make 6 frames, and you will make 2 frames for the tabernacle corners at the rear, and they will be double at the bottom, and they will be completely together on its top to the one ring. It will be likewise for the 2 of them. They will be for the 2 corners, and there will be 8 frames, and their silver bases, 16 bases with 2 bases under the one frame, and 2 bases under the next frame. You will make 5 bars of acacia wood for the frames on the one side of the tabernacle, and the 5 bars for the frames on the second side of the tabernacle, and 5 bars for the frames on the side of the tabernacle at the rear on the west. And the bar in the middle, in the midst of the frames, will run from end to end, and you will overlay the frames with gold. And you will make their rings of gold as holders for the bars, and you will overlay the bars with gold. And you will erect the tabernacle according to its plan, which you have been shown on the mountain. And you will make a curtain of blue and purple and crimson yarns, and finely twisted linen, the work of a skilled craftsman. He will make with it cherubim, and you will put it on 4 acacia pillars, overlaid with gold, with their gold hooks of 4 silver bases. And you will put a curtain under the clasps, and you will bring the ark of the testimony there inside the curtain, and the curtain will separate for you between the holy and the most holy places. And you will put the atonement cover on the ark of the testimony in the most high place. And you will place the table outside of the curtains and the lampstand opposite the table on the south side of the tabernacle. You will put the table on the north side, and you will make for the entrance of the tent a screen of blue and purple and crimson yard and finely twisted linen, the work of an embroiderer. And you will make for the screen 5 acacia pillars, and you will overlay them with gold, with their gold hooks, and you will cast for them 5 bronze bases. May God bless you, and may God bless the reading of his word.